Hi guys, welcome to Jules Cooking. I'm always a big fan of a croquembouche, but I already made 2 movies about it, so I thought today I would do something different. Because we're not gonna make a croquembouche with the traditional puff pastry, but we're gonna make it with madeleines. And madeleines is a really fluffy traditional French cake, and I'm gonna make it with beurre noisette, some citrus and vanilla. And a madeleine is nothing without a vanilla sauce, so we're also gonna make that. So, let's begin. Start by weighing 300 grams of whole eggs. Then put 250 grams of butter in a pan and caramelize this on a low heat. Whisk it every minute or so. Now pour the eggs in a bowl and add the zest of 2 oranges and 2 lemons. Then also cut a vanilla pod in half and scrape out the seeds. Add this to the eggs. Now start mixing this and then slowly add 250 grams of icing sugar. Once it's completely fluffy, sieve 250 grams of flour over the mixing bowl. Mix this gently. Then also gently add the beurre noisette or the brown butter. Now pour it in a piping bag. After that, grease your mold with some soft butter and fill them halfway with the batter. Then bake them at 190 degrees Celsius for 9 minutes. After, take them out of the oven and let them cool down. Then separate enough eggs for 110 grams of egg yolk. Now pour 700 grams of milk in a saucepan and add 150 grams of sugar, the seeds from 1 vanilla pod and the pod we just used for the batter. Heat this up on a medium heat. Meanwhile, mix the egg yolks with 50 grams of cornstarch. When the milk is boiling, add it while stirring to the yolk mixture. Then pour it back into the pan and cook it while stirring to the desired thickness. Once it has the right consistency, put it through a sieve. Then cover it with plastic foil and let it cool down completely in your fridge. Meanwhile, continue baking the madeleines. When you have enough madeleines, start building your tower by gluing the madeleines on a paper or a plastic cone with a dry caramel. Make sure they overlap nicely and finish it off with one on top. And now just give it your vanilla sauce a final whisk and a good taste. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So give it a thumbs up, share your results with the hashtag Jules Cooking, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, bon appetit!